Learn how to easily remove a gift card from Amazon. Removing a gift card from Amazon is a straightforward process. Today, I'll guide you through the steps to successfully remove a gift card from your Amazon account. To begin, open the Amazon application on your device and log into your account. Once logged in, navigate to your account settings by clicking on the appropriate icon. Within your account settings, locate and click on the Payments option. You'll now see a list of payment methods associated with your account. Look for the gift card you wish to remove and select it. Click on the small arrow icon next to the gift card details. A menu will appear, prompting you to select Remove. Click on this option. Confirm the removal by clicking on Confirm Remove when prompted. And just like that, the gift card will be successfully removed from your Amazon account. That's all there is to it. I hope you found this guide helpful.